Introducing the CPS Line, the impact and cutting mill that revolutionizes variables, control in size, reduction, and precise calibration of solid particles. This innovative equipment allows you to control every aspect of the process effectively. Its main features include high production capacity, automated control, versatility, and easy maintenance. But what makes the CPS Line special? This mill stands out for its precision, ensuring a homogeneous result in particle refinement. Discover the CPS Line, the perfect choice for any production plant.